Hello friends and welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to discuss how we can combine some in small functions and make a big formula. For example, we can combine left function and find function and find out the first name of any name like this. You can see I have applied left function and find function together and make a big formula, and I have extracted first name of any name. Likewise, I have applied or combined right, length and find function and extracted last name from a name. You can see here in above I have used two formulas or combined two formulas and make a big formula to extract the first name, and in here I have combined three formulas right, length and find and make a big formula. So let's learn how can we do this. So I'm starting with this first name. How can we write first name, right? So and I'm hiding this one, and we can later on unhide it and work on this, right? So let's find out how we can extract first name using left and find function. So for left function, what we do, we write left and select the text or name of which from which we want to extract the left digits. So it's asking from where you want to extract left digits. So we want to extract left digits from A2 cell where this name is written, and then press comma, and it's asking numchar. So how many digits from left you want, right? So I want 5 digits, so I have to press 5 and close the bracket, and we can get the 5 digits from this name, right? And if I drag it to last, so you can see that we have got 5 digits, first 5 digits from the name. But problem is here you can see that we have got the exact 5 digits first name, so we have no problem here, and we can see this first name is okay. Likewise, in Babar also there is 5 digits, so that name is okay. But in Litton, so it is not, it is of 6 digits, right? So our first name is not right here. So left function alone cannot give you right results. So what do we want? We want to make this 5 dynamic, right? If we somehow manage to make it dynamic and provide a number here uh, which is equals to this first name numbers or digits, then our job will be done, right? So we can do this, or we can make this 5 dynamic by adding find formula, right? So for find formula, what is find formula? We have to press equals to then find, and it is asking which text you want to find. So I want to find space, right? Space here. So for space, you have to write in double quotes, space, again double quotes, then comma, and it's asking from which text you want to find extra space. So I want to find space from A2 column or A2 cell. So I have write it, and it is asking the from where, because it will give you the position of the space where space is sitting in this name, right? So I want to count it from 1, so it will give me position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So space is on sixth position, so it will give me number 6. Or if you will say count from second digit, so it will give you I 1 2 3 4 5 5. So I want to count it from first digit, so I have write 1 and press enter and control C, press enter, right? So here you can see that as we required for Virat we need 5 digits because first name is of 5 digits, but here we are getting 6 digits, right? Likewise for Babar we want 5 digits, but we are getting 7 digits, and for Lipton we want 6 digits, but we are getting 7 digits. So you can see we are getting one digit more always. That's because it is counting space as well. So what if we less one digit from here? So if we are lessing or deducting one digit from here, then our work will done and we will get the exact digits of which this first name is made up of. For example, Babar is made up of 5 digits, Sandeep is made up of 6 digits, the first name of Sandeep, right? So in that way we can make it dynamic. So let's find out how can we combine these functions together to extract the first name. So right equals to, then left, and for left you have to select the text, then comma, then we have pressed 5 first. Okay, so now we want to make this 5 dynamic, right? So for this what we have to do is we have to select this cell where find formula is and minus 1, because we have to less this space which is been counted by the find function to get the exact digits equals to the first name, right? So it is ready, and if I copy paste the formula till the end, we can exactly get the first name, right? But we want to make combine the formulas, right? So we have to we have to delete this and write here find, then space, then we want to find space, comma, and from text A2 we want to find from text A2, then again comma, and we want to find it from number 1, and then less it and press enter, right? So in that way we can combine this left and find function and paste the formula till the end, and you can see that we have extracted first name by combining left and find function. Now unhide the below lines, and now we want to extract the last name, right? So for last name we have to combine right, len, and find functions together to get the last name, because if we I alone right function is not enough, because if I have applied right function, comma, 4 digits, I'm taking 4 digits for now. So you can see that the last name is not correct, right? So we have to combine right, length, and find to get the exact last name. So why? Because we want to make this 4 dynamic here. We want this 4 dynamic equals to these the count of last name digits, right? So for this we have to, what we need to do, so we have to first find the total text contained in the name. So for finding total text or total digits in the name, we have to use len function. So type equals to len and select the text and press enter, right? And now in that way we have find that these names contain this much digits. Now using find formula, what we are going to do is we are going to find the place of space again. So what this will do is, it is on A2 column, comma, count from 1. So for example, space is on this 6 digit, right? If we start counting from this one place, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it is on sixth place. So what happen if we deduct this 6 from 11? So the last digits or last name digits will remain. Okay, so just take the formula till the end, equals to this minus this, right? So if you will see that in that way we have made this 5 4 here a dynamic thing, right? So if we write here 5, so last digits of the Virat Kohli name or last name of that is Kohli is of 5 digits, then Ajam is of 4 digits, Das is of 3 digits, Lamchane of 10 digits, and it is of 5 digits, Messi. So so what we have to do now is we have to combine len find with right and we can get extract the last name. So press equals to right, then we want to get the right digits from here, so write any number, and it is a formula which is not correct. So to combine these two functions we have to simply select len and minus find from here, right, and we can get the last number, but we have to combine the formula. So d9 represents len function, so apply len function here, len, and it is a2, the text is in a2, then go to e9 because e9 represents this find function, so apply find function here and write we want to find a space, then from where we want to find space in a2 text, and or we want to find the position of space from a2 text and start counting from 1, right, first digit, start counting from first digit, and you can see that we have simply combined the formula and we have also extracted the last name beautifully.